Easy Pulao Rice. Cinnamon, large cardamom, green cardamom, few cloves, shan masala. Wash rice at least thrice. Drain, repeat a couple of times until it's clean. Have the spice mix ready. 1 teaspoon salt and any kind of stock you have. 2 tablespoons of ghee. Mix the ghee in the heated pot. Add onions. Mix the spice. Mix it well. Add the onions. Ginger garlic paste. Mix it well. Cook until brown. Mix 2 tablespoons of shan masala. Add 4 cups of water. Don't forget to mix all that goodness from your blender. Add the water in. 4 cups, 2 cups of rice. Mix it well, bring it to a boil. Add your washed rice. Cover on low heat for approximately 19 to 20 minutes. Perfect rice every time. Fluffy, fragrant, and fabulous.